If you're working with data, this is important. Today we are comparing DuckDB and ClickHouse. Both DuckDB and ClickHouse are analytics databases. They are designed to handle large amounts of data and run fast queries. Let's start with DuckDB. DuckDB is lightweight and runs locally on your machine. It's often called the SQLite for analytics. You don't need a server, just run queries directly on files like CSV or Parquet. It's perfect for data analysis and quick workflows. Now, ClickHouse. ClickHouse is a high performance database built for large scale analytics. It runs as a server and is designed for handling huge datasets. It's used by companies for real time analytics and dashboards. Here's the main difference. DuckDB is simple and runs locally. ClickHouse is powerful and built for scale. Looking at features, DuckDB is great for ad hoc queries, data science, and local analysis. ClickHouse is great for real-time analytics, high concurrency, and big data workloads. In terms of performance, DuckDB is very fast for local data processing. ClickHouse is extremely fast when dealing with massive datasets across systems. Now, setup DuckDB is super easy, no setup needed. ClickHouse requires setup and infrastructure. Now, pricing. DuckDB is free and open source. ClickHouse is also open source, but hosting and scaling will cost money. So, DuckDB is better for local analytics and simplicity. ClickHouse is better for large scale production level analytics. So, which one should you choose? Choose DuckDB if you want something lightweight and easy to use. Choose ClickHouse if you're working with big data and need performance at scale. Both are powerful. It depends on your use case. Thanks for watching. Don't forget